Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of all traditional Guyanese recipes. Thank you for being here today. If it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell also so you don't miss any updates from us. And also remember, you have to turn notifications on your phone as well in order to receive those notifications. So today we're going to be doing a recipe for roast chicken and potatoes. Now how good would that be for Father's Day? I'm pretty sure Dad will love that. So this roasted chicken and potatoes, guys, can be paired with our two recent recipes for Father's Day if you like. That would be a great combination. And those two are our Spanish rice. That's our Spanish rice and our potato salad. And that would be such a good combination for Father's Day. So the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe, guys, we have about 6 chicken leg quarters. We're going to be using 2 large potatoes, some black pepper, some paprika, basil, which is also man poke, and garlic powder, some onions, celery, scallions, garlic, pepper. We are also going to be using some pepper flakes in this recipe. So be free to use as much as you're tolerable with. The hot peppers is optional in this recipe, of course, as always. So that's our ingredients, guys. This is going to be one delicious dish. And let's get started. So we've already removed the skin from our chicken leg quarters. And we're going to make some marks on the chicken in order to have our spices penetrate our chicken. Makes it more flavorful. Get some flavors in there. Alright, my friends, so we have washed our chicken and we have laid them out in our pan that we're going to bake in. And now we are preparing our green seasoning. We're going to be using a green seasoning to season our chicken and potatoes with. So that's our scallions and our celery. We're going to cut up in this little chopper. Now we're going to add some fire. So we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic to this green seasoning as well. So we're just using 1/4 of a large onion for this. So you're going to add a little water to your chopper. Alright, my friends, so we have blended, we have chopped our green seasoning, all the stuff we added to our chopper, and that's what it looks like now. So we're going to start seasoning our chicken, and we're going to start with our salt and black pepper first. And make sure you season every piece. So that's where these slits are going to come in. Everything is going to get right into those crevices. Season your chicken very well. Make it real nice and tasty. So that was our basil or marrid poke. You can use either one. And this is our garlic powder now. And that's the paprika. And now the green seasoning. And now we're going to sprinkle some chili flakes on there. Your preference. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to use that. But a little bit of flakes is good for flavor. It doesn't get really spicy. And you want to rub in your seasonings in all those crevices you made there with your knife. So you can leave your potatoes on peel. You can bake them like that. So we're just gonna quarter our potatoes now. So we're gonna start to season our potatoes now. Have some salt, some garlic powder, black pepper. That's your basil now, or marrid pork, and just a touch of paprika as well. And give that a good mix. And then we're gonna add that to our chicken in our pan. So I'm pretty sure if that's you preparing this, he's gonna start humming some tunes already. This is looking so good. Okay guys, so we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna go bake these here for about an hour and 10 minutes, hour and 20 minutes. This should be ready, done, delicious. So we're gonna pop this into the oven now. So there you go. See you in a bit. So it's been about half an hour for our chicken baking. So we're gonna take it out now and baste. So there we go. That's looking yummy. So we're gonna baste this now. Yes guys, so if you don't have one of these basters, you can use a brush or a spoon or whatever it's handy for you. So basically you just want to, so this is about halfway of our baking time. You're gonna baste and you're just gonna shove it back in the oven for the remainder of time it needs to bake. So I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but we are baking this uncovered, right? So here we're gonna do it with a brush. Also you can do it like this as well. So back in we go. So this is an hour for our chicken now, my friends, and we're gonna baste again. We also flipped our potatoes in the last time we checked in half an hour, so both sides can cook. Alright, so that's it. We're gonna put this back into the oven for the next 50 minutes or so, and this will be ready. Alright, so we're gonna slide this back into the oven now, guys. There we go. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so time for our chicken should be up about an hour and 20 minutes. So we're gonna remove our chicken now from the oven. There you go. So here's our chicken, guys. Isn't that looking delicious? Look at that. Yum yum. So you're just gonna baste again. And this is looking so delicious, man. I feel like having my meal right now. So that's how easy it is, guys. Your roast chicken and potatoes. So that's it, my friends. We have finished basting this, and this is the end of our roast chicken and potatoes. And as you can see over there, we have done our Spanish rice and our potato salad. So we're going to be having this together. So I'll be linking the recipes for the Spanish rice and the potato salad below the video for this one today. You can check there for those recipes and make them together if you wish. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the notification bell so you get updates from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.